Your phone is controlling you more than you think, and most people never realize it. Every single day, we unlock our phones hundreds of times, not because we need to, not because there's something important, but because our hands move automatically. We scroll without thinking. We open apps without a clear reason. We tell ourselves, just 1 minute, and then suddenly, 10 minutes are gone, 20 minutes are gone. Sometimes, an entire hour disappears. And here's the important part. This is not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack discipline. And it's definitely not because you're bad at managing time. It's because your phone is designed to keep you there. Modern smartphones are not neutral tools. They are carefully engineered attention machines. Notifications, bright colors, vibrations, infinite scrolling, autoplay, pull to refresh. Every detail exists for one reason: to pull your attention back, again and again. And the more time you spend, the more normal it feels. That's the real danger. Not that you're on your phone, but that you stop noticing how much of your life is being spent there. Most people never check their actual screen time. They feel busy, they feel tired, they feel like they have no time, but they never look at the numbers. And when they do, it's shocking. Hours on social media, hours on video apps, hours on games or endless feeds. Time that could have been rest, time that could have been focus, time that could have been real connection. Here's the good news. Your phone already has the tools to stop this. You don't need new apps. You don't need productivity hacks. You don't need motivation tricks. You just need to use the settings that are already there. First, open screen time on iPhone, or digital well-being on Android. Not later, not someday, now. Look at your app usage honestly. Which apps take the most time? Which ones do you open without thinking? For most people, it's the same pattern. Social media, short videos, entertainment apps. Don't judge yourself, just observe. Awareness is the first step to control. Second, set daily app limits. Start small. This is important. Don't try to be perfect. Don't cut everything at once. Limit one app, just one, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes. That's it. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will want to open the app anyway. That moment, that pause, is where change begins. Third, turn off non-essential notifications. Notifications are not reminders. They are interruptions. Every notification says, "Stop what you're doing. Look here, right now." Ask yourself this simple question. Is this truly urgent? If an app isn't urgent, it doesn't deserve instant access to your attention. Messages from family? Keep them. Work alerts? Keep what's necessary. Everything else? Silence it. Your focus will thank you. Fourth, use focus mode or downtime. Choose specific hours for deep work, for study, for rest. During these hours, your phone should become boring. No buzzing, no pop-ups, no distractions. This isn't about removing your phone from your life. It's about putting it in its proper place. Fifth, move addictive apps off your home screen. This sounds too simple, but it works. When an app is one tap away, your brain doesn't think. When it's hidden in a folder, your brain pauses. That tiny friction is powerful. It gives you a choice, and choice is control. These changes don't fight your phone. They don't rely on willpower. They change the environment, so better behavior becomes the default. Your phone should serve your life, not interrupt it, not control it, not drain your attention without permission. You don't need to quit technology. You just need to use it intentionally. Take 5 minutes today, change these settings, and notice how it feels. More calm, more focus, more time. Your phone is a tool, not a boss. And if you want more simple tech habits that actually improve your life, you'll find them right here on this channel.